Signs of black magic. How do I know if someone did black magic on me? As we already mentioned, black magic is a contract between the magician and the jinn, especially a shaitan. First sign that someone did black magic on you are dreams, more precise nightmares. If you're constantly dreaming of dogs, snakes, or spiders. If you're constantly dreaming about blood and being around blood. Someone chasing you in dreams, human, animals, or other beings. Constantly seeing yourself in a graveyard, or falling from heights. These types of things in your dreams indicate that you may have serious issues with regards to magic and/or jinn possession. Blockages in life. Do you try your best at your work or at your study, but can't pass any of the exams? You can't get any job, and if you lose it again and can't establish a good living, you try to get married, but in the end it never works out? An indicator of black magic. Suffering from illness doctors can't explain. Suddenly various pain and afflictions in your health. Suffering from illnesses that doctors cannot explain, or suffering with illness after illness after illness. This may be a sign of black magic.